Ever wonder why your neck feels like it's carrying a bowling ball after a long day of scrolling and working? Let's talk about forward head posture and why it's becoming a serious issue for pretty much everyone these days. So, modern life is doing a number on our bodies. Think about it. We're constantly hunched over phones, computers, and tablets, creating this perfect storm of physical strain that's reshaping how your body is actually working. Forward head posture isn't just about looking awkward, although it does. It's a legitimate health concern and can cause real problems. So, what's actually happening? When you tilt your head forward, you're putting an incredible amount of pressure on your neck. We're talking maybe even up to 60 pounds of stress and strain. That's like carrying a medium sized dog on your neck with every time you roll, every time you scroll or text. Your spine starts to misalign, your neck muscles get overworked, and all of a sudden, those occasional aches become chronic issues. So, there are five major reasons behind this modern day posture problem. Number one, our sedentary lifestyle. Sitting for hours on end isn't just bad for your back, it's pulling your head forward, straining your spine, discs, joints, muscles, and your nervous system. Two, some of this actually might be your genes or from past injuries. Structural issues that we have can predispose you to developing this posture over time. Three, how you sleep matters. Too many pillows, sleeping on your stomach, these can gradually push your spine out of alignment. Four, stress, mental stress. When you're tense, you're literally holding that tension in your neck and shoulders, which pulls your spine out of whack. And finally, our constant device use. Tech neck, we call it. It's for real, and it's causing a serious long-term problem and can cause serious damage. The great news, you can improve the structure of your spine. You can improve forward head posture and maybe even correct it fully if it's not too late. Here's what you can do starting now. Make sure you hold your devices at eye level. Take regular breaks every 20 to 30 minutes. Stretch your neck regularly. Be mindful of how you're sitting and standing. And make sure to download this spinal hygiene mini class that I created. The link you can get to it is in the description. If you want a more personalized approach, consider getting a detailed assessment, including standing spinal x-rays, so you can understand exactly what's going on with your spine and with your body. It's not just about cracking backs. Corrective chiropractors like myself are all about creating personalized treatment plans that address the root causes of your posture and health problems. Your body is constantly adapting, which means with the right approach, you can retrain your spine and you can start feeling better and looking better. But it's all about making these small, consistent changes that add up to significant improvements. So, yes, your posture is about looking good, but it's not just about that. It's about feeling good and keeping your body and nervous system functioning at its best. Go ahead and download the Spinal Hygiene Mini Class so you can be your own guarantee for your health and your life.